Charlie, look at Uncle Jason.
What were you doing, Charlie?
Cause what?
Hey, Charlie, where's your cuz?
Charlie. What? Roll your wagon.
Hey,
Oh.
hey, Avery.
Henry, you gonna eat a piece of pizza?
What was he doing?
I don't know.
Alright, Charlie, you're crazy.
Is that yummy? Do you like it, Avery? He's going much slower this time. Very slow. Look how slow Charlie is.
He's fast.
He's so slow. I don't think Charlie can go any faster. Right, Noah? Right, Noah? Are these kids crazy, Noah?
No.
Do you love him? What is that move? He'll get you. If you put your tongue out, he'll take it. Show him your tongue. He'll take it. Get it, Noah. Get her tongue. Oh, you're scared. Is she scared? Where's Henry's tongue?